What if one day you woke up to find your entire village gone? In 1936, the small village of Aberfan in Wales faced an unimaginable disaster as an avalanche of coal waste ripped through their community. Heavy rainfall had saturated the mining refuse, turning it into a deadly tide that surged towards unsuspecting homes. With little time to react, villagers were swept away as rescue efforts began amidst the chaos and sorrow. Strikingly, the flooding wasn't just a local tragedy. It sparked national outrage over safety standards in coal mining. The incident led to significant changes in mining regulations, forever altering the industry and protecting future generations. Though the village was rebuilt, the memory of that fateful day lingered on in the hearts of the survivors. To this day, Aberfan stands as a testament to resilience, a reminder of a day when disaster struck, but hope prevailed.